Oh well. This is my when I first opened this channel, I I really wanted to do a tour review but didn't have the camera. And for the longest time I never knew that this laptop, I have two computers, one a regular desktop computer and a laptop which I'm using right now. And I always wanted to make a tour review for ever since this channel first opened. But I always wanted to make a video at least. So on doink.com, it made me do videos. My early drawings, animations were pretty bad, too fast, because I didn't know how to make it slower back then, because I was just starting. You don't become a great animator overnight. Yeah. So, this is my first tour review ever. First. Number one. First. First video where you actually see what I look like. Yeah. Video where you see what I look like. Now, enough chatter. On the review. It's the Think Wow Mr. Bump. An incredible figure. I'm surprised Thinkway didn't make, not Thinkway Toys, sorry. Think Wow, Think Wow. They should have made other characters like Miss Whoops, Mr. Nervous, Mr. Persnickety, or Mr. Fussy, or Mr. Nosy. Yeah, they should have made him. They should have made Miss Naughty. Should have made Miss Helpful. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't make Miss Helpful, but probably didn't make Mr. Tickle due to the fact that has long arms, and making him short like the shell would have been stupid, because we all want Mr. Tickle to have long arms on a toy. Yeah. But here's the review of Mr. Bump. Very nice detail. Oh, don't fall down. Don't fall down. Oh, poopity poop. Mr. Bump. Here in all of his glory. Mr. Bump, one of the most famous Mr. Men of all. Any Mr. Men fan knows who Mr. Bump is and knows his accident-prone nature. Ow! Yeah. Well, this line was known for having articulated arms. His arms go 360 degrees. They don't bend or anything, It's a little figurine. You expect articulation out of an action figure, but not a figurine. Mr. Bump. Looks exactly the way he appeared in the books and the Mr. Men show. On the books, he had another bandage, 3 bandages, but in a common gag in the books, it was 2 bandages. That was a common gag, but now it's permanent. Yeah, quality ain't all that good. Right, it's okay, but it's too much. Hold on. Yeah. Well, hopefully it's a little better. Mr. Bump. On the back, they printed his name. Sure if you can see it. Probably not. Quality ain't all that great, but well. It's got a nice. That's a very good expression. Thank Wow for that very good expression. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like he's got the same blue color as he always did throughout the years. He's got his trademark bandages. Now, what would Mr. Bump be without his bandages? Sure, if he took them off. Oh, oh, poopity poop. Again, Mr. Bump. Very nice figure. He's got his tongue, his mouth, his screaming mouth, sort of looks like a peanut. His mouth looks like, turn him over. His mouth sort of looks like a peanut, but it's a screaming mouth. So it's a great show. Most of the Mr. Men toys, you can still get this if you can, because it's starting to become hard to find since, you know, most of the Walmart stores I find this dude in, it's, you know, he's in the clearance section, which is really sad because the Mr. Men show is my favorite TV show of all time. It's not like, no, I'm not like those 21st century kids. No, I'm not very violent. I'm more like a 20th century kid, if you say. I'm not violent. I don't curse that much. I don't, you know, I'm not like kids are today. I watch old classic cartoons, not those crappy ones today, but Mr. Men shows still retains what cartoons used to be. Anyway, great show, great figure. Recommend you pick it up. It's this size. Went out. Oh, here's a Superposer Sonic. Superposer Sonic. On size comparison time. As Sean Long always says. Like size comparison time. Like that. Can't see it. Yeah, here's straighten out. I couldn't get the Superposer Sonic. It's right next to me, but it's too big. There's the two characters. And in order to end this review, I recommend you pick it up. Figure gets a 10 out of 10. No flaws. I'll end this review with a bump.